Want more out of your affiliate marketing? Try these tips. You set out to search for 4 tips related to affiliate marketing, however you have reached the end of your journey. This video will supply you with all that you need to know to succeed. In this day and age, it is important to stay on top of all the latest trends, and this is the perfect way to do so. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. Being helpful to your readers is always a good idea. Don't just list your favorite movies, write a detailed review of what you liked and why. When you take the time to make your writing helpful to others, you will be rewarded because they will tend to come back to you many times. Convincing visitors to do surveys on your affiliate site is not easy. Be upfront about the topic and the time they need to spend to complete the survey. As an incentive, you may offer coupons to websites related to the topic of the survey, and you can also display links and get paid for the purchases your survey takers make. If you want your affiliate marketing efforts to pay off at the highest amount, you should look for ways to offer a bonus to people who buy through your affiliate link. Since others are promoting the same product or service through their links, you need to find a way to encourage them to buy through you. Produce YouTube videos demonstrating some of your products in action. Seeing someone peel a potato in 20 seconds is much more impressive than just watching claims online. It also helps people to understand the proper use or installation of some products, and gives them confidence that they will perform as promised. If your video goes viral, you will get the bonus of a lot more traffic. In conclusion, you cannot go wrong with the advice that you have just read in regards to affiliate marketing. Out of all of the information out there, you should find that this is your #1 source. Hopefully you can use the advice given to you in your own plan and find success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.